Hello, welcome back. This time we're going to tackle the change of character. Unlike breakup structure, the change of character has 4 points: the previous high, the previous low, the last high, the last low, inverted for the bearish setup. So let's get right into the code. So I'm going to start with this. Uh, so for the bullish change of character, let's just edit to make it faster. So here we have the last high less than the previous high, and the last low less the last low is less than the previous low. Yes, so the last high is less than the previous high, the last low is less than the previous low. So index last high, let's just copy this from here. Index last high is less than previous high, and index last low is less than previous low, and one close is greater than last. Okay, so this is correct. SMC, which this should be last time high, high of high, one time. Okay, this is correct. This is correct. So we change this to CHoCH. This is for bullish, and for bearish, we just copy this. So for the bearish formation, we have index last high is greater than previous high, and last low is greater than previous low, and one close is less than the last low. Okay, so index last high is greater than previous high, and last low is greater than previous low, and one close. Yes, so we change this to change of character. Okay, is everything in order? Yes. So let's check it on the visual strategy tester. Yes, so this is change of character, this is change of character, this is change of character. Let's change the color to highlight. Uh, okay, so for bullish change of character, let's use green. Green. For bearish, let's use dark orange. Okay, no, we didn't change it all the way. I think we used the color. We have color in two places. We have it here and here. Okay. Color green here. Okay. Okay, now we can see here we have a change of character, break of structure, break of structure. So this is how to design a break of structure, change of character function. In another video, I'm going to show you how to build an indicator for the same purpose. So if you have any questions, comments, likes, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.